Welcome to the Pipe Trades Level 1 Blended Learning Delivery Model. I'd like to take a moment to introduce myself and give you some background about the training you're going to take. First, my name is Rod Lidstone. I've worked in the piping industry for 17 years, during which time I earned my trades qualifications in steam pipe fitting, plumbing, and A-gas fitting. Since then, I've been delivering apprenticeship training at Camosun College for over 20 years to apprentices in the pipe trades. Throughout my teaching career, I've actively participated in many committees, both provincially and federally, as a subject matter expert, developing training outlines, textbooks, as well as interprovincial exams for most of the pipe trades. With my background and multiple pipe trade certificates, I've always been an advocate of the Common Level 1 training outline for all pipe trades, as I believe it serves both employers and workers to create a more flexible workforce. Another area that I've been very active in is the use of technology to enhance our methods of delivery for training our apprentices. The Pipe Trades Department here at Camosun College has been taking advantage of learning management systems to enhance our delivery for many years. It started as an opportunity for students to review the lecture slides that we used in the classroom after hours. Then we expanded its use to include additional home online practice quizzes. One challenge that I've always recognized is that each student learns differently and at a different pace. These differences are difficult to accommodate within the limited hours that we're given in a 30-hour a week face-to-face delivery. The pace you end up moving through the material gets dictated by the limited classroom time you have. So some students struggle to learn the material to their full potential. By using an LMS, we can remove any of these restrictions. So, here we are. The Industry Training Authority of BC has asked us to create a common Level 1 pipe trades program which has a distance delivery of 150 hours. Using the learning management system, with a pipe trades online instructor facilitating you, then you're going to come for a face-to-face component of 90 hours for the practical shop competencies. Now, this concept of combined distance delivery and face-to-face is often called blended delivery. The first section is the theory component, and it's spread over 15 weeks. So you need to complete about 10 hours of work per week. You're given an opportunity to work at your own pace, meaning some of you may need more than 10 hours per week, whereas others may need less. The priority being that you learn the material. So for each small section along the way, you'll be completing self-assessments before you complete the graded evaluations. You'll be given the opportunity to practice these self-assessments multiple times to improve your knowledge. The course itself consists of 4 lines, A, B, C, and D. Now these lines are separated into competencies, for example, A1, A2, A3. Each of these competencies is also broken down into learning tasks. So, for example, your first learning task is called A1 LT1. What this means is line A, competency 1, learning task 1. Now each learning task has a range of learning resources, including electronic versions of the Level 1 Pipe Trades textbooks. Within those, the safety modules that we've adopted by the pipe trades are called open textbooks. These were created by BC Campus with a Creative Commons copyright, and therefore we can use them electronically without restrictions. The other 3 lines, B, C, and D, are copyright to ITA and have been supplied to us for use electronically at a substantially reduced cost compared to the hard copy versions. But if you feel like you prefer to use the hard copies, then you can purchase those through Crown Publishers or your college bookstores. Additional resources that we're able to use with the LMS environment include video lessons, video introductions, drag and drop activities, matching activities, discussion forums, quizzes, and a personal gradebook, as well as much more. So, make sure to watch the video coming up on the learning task pages and what to expect. When you've completed the 15-week theory portion of your training, you'll then attend the Technical Training Center where you'll be guided by an instructor as you complete your practical shop projects. The biggest challenge in any online course is time management. So to help you stay on track, we've created a customized learning path with benchmarks that show up on the course calendar. This can be used by yourself and your online instructor to help keep you on track. So, welcome aboard. Like anything, you get out of it what you put into it. So give her.